Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I will make here the nav part. I want to fix this part, and here I will add some content to the home page. Here in the code I can make something here. I can make here margin right padding right of 5. So here what's the problem? Yes, okay, padding left of 5. So here, this is great now. Okay, and here, I will copy this padding left of 5, paste it here, here, okay, where is it? Here, and finally here. Okay, so here I got this. This is great now. Here I can make this into the hover. So here I got this. I can add here I can make something like okay, transition of all 0.4 seconds. Here I can copy this part and paste it again. I will delete the hover and this border button. So now this is great. I can add more border if I want. Sorry, more padding chop of I don't know, 3 rem. No, what about 5 rem? This is okay. Okay, and now what I can add more here. Let's add content for the home page. Here in the section of a class of home, I will create div with a class of container and div with a class of row, and here I can make div with a class of column. Here I just want to make here div, and here I don't know, okay, I am just thinking about it, MobileShop. Okay, so here I got this. I just need to make text center. This is great. Now it is centered. And here style font size of, I don't know, 150 pixels. I think it is okay. This is great. And here margin chop of 5. And here I can add no, I just need padding chop of 5. Okay, this is great. I will keep it like that. And here I can make for the section of home, okay, background image, or I can copy the same as here for the nav bar. I will copy all of that and paste it the same for this section of home. Okay, now I got this. We just got a small problem here, but it is okay. We will edit this or edit something here. Okay. So here I can make to the top or to the bottom. I think the top would be okay. Let's see what we have here when I make it like that. I just want this to be great. So I think this is okay now. Okay. This is great. You can just decrease the degree of the blue to be like that. No. If it is not okay, I will make it white. I think we will make it white. I will delete all of that here and make this to be background color of white, because it is not okay like this. And here to make this to be light. No, we will having a big trouble. So I will make it darker, and background I will keep it like it was. I will copy this background image, because if we make it like this, we will edit too many things here. I think this is okay. I will keep it like that. Okay, the next thing I have here is to make this with the font, sorry, for the color of white. Color of white. This is great. What can I add here more? I can add a description for this mobile shop. Here I can make H4. I don't know. Quickly create your own custom mobile phone, tablet, screen, or TV screen, or laptop. Okay, so here our laptop. Okay, we got a problem here. Let's see what we have here. Here I got this part. Great. And here I can make the color into white, so it will be great. Okay, so here style of color into white. This is great. I can add here the class of margin top of 5 and padding top of 5. I think margin will be great. So this is great. Here I can add something like button. Let's search for the button. Here, button group. No, not this. Just the button. The button. Okay. I want the form of the A. So here I have the form of the A. I will copy and paste it for this part here. Okay, here I want, I think the success will be okay. And button large. And here I want the style of font size to be 24 pixels. And here padding of 3, padding left of 5 or 4. 5 is okay, padding right of 5. We will reload here. So this is great. I just need to edit this part. I think we will just edit this in the CSS because I don't like this when it is like that. Can you feel the same? Okay. Here I have I can delete this here and margin top of 5. Let's go to the CSS. I can copy. I can set here an ID of button 1. I will copy this ID. Let's go to the CSS here. Okay, so now I have padding right of let's make it 15 pixels and padding left of 15 pixels. Let's see what we have here. We got the same thing. Okay, I have an idea. I can delete the padding, the button large. The same. So what is it? We just got a problem here. Okay, what about a class button 1? We got a problem, the same problem. Okay, I am thinking about how I can edit this. Okay, I got it. We have here the style, so I cannot edit in the CSS. Padding left of 15 pixels, padding right of sorry, not here, padding right of 15 pixels. Okay, so here we got the same problem. So what about 45 and 45 if it is not okay? Yes, it is working now. Okay, and the font size to be 34 pixels. This is great. I want to add more padding. What about 90 and 90? I like this more. Okay, and now I can add another class of margin bottom of 5. Great. And here in the home, I can make the height of the home. Where is it? Okay, the height to be 700 pixels. I think it will be okay. No. What about 720? Okay, 15. 15 is great. Okay. Now we are done with adding the nav bar. and this homepage. In the next video we will add more. So good luck and have fun.